sir. Oh! Alright, so we got the LEXAN in from Innovative Racecraft for the Fox. I haven't seen it yet. We're going to open it and give it a gander. Okay. So there's the back window.
You're right, that does look kind of small.
It does.
We'll set this on the ground.
Cut to fit.
We already have a hatch. It's fiberglass, but it's just an old window and it's all dirty. Good. No, yeah, that's about the same size.
It says this one's cut to fit. The door ones are pre-made the right size, or so they say.
Team Fo.
Oh yeah.
All right, cool. We're good.
Cool. They have me work for a minute.
We're really gonna mess this up.
Good. I mean, heck yeah, we are.
Sure. Yeah, that's what's up. I like that. How they had it sitting on there or whatever to where it was halfway.
You better have some whole ass stickers.
No stickers?
They better.
Are they in between maybe?
I hope
They probably didn't see any stickers, dog.
Probably not. I kind of want to shove one up in there, but
Let's do it.
I want to dick it up.
Yeah, I don't think there's any stickers, dog. I'm not really feeling those vibes.
Yeah, now I'm real upset, Racecraft. Innovative.
I guess stickers are extra, dog.
Bastards.
Does it matter which side? It shouldn't, should it? Hold on. Let me go around the other side. I'm gonna set this down. We'll be back. And we're back! It fits really, really well. We just had to have 2 hands, or I guess 3 hands to put it in. But I like, go around this side. Me and Cody both like it. We'll be able to fasten it down here, probably. That way you won't really even see. And it's tucked up in the jams. So, we like it. Now I just need some of that for the Honda, dude.
For real.
So shout out to Innovative Racing. No stickers, but you know, we got what we needed, I guess. And here we are. We're gonna put the LEXAN in the car. Gonna try to rivet it in. We figure we'll probably put 6 rivets in it. We need to peel it back just a little bit and then stick it up in there. Hopefully we can see through enough. That way we can drill it into this little strip here. But we'll see how this works out. We've never done this before, so here we go. All right, we got it up in there. We got the protective film pulled back. You can see through it now. Looks pretty cool. But now we're gonna go ahead and drill it, rivet it, see what it looks like. And here we are. I can't ever do anything without hurting myself. All right, so now we got the window in. We got the protective film off because it was gonna be a pain in the butt to take off with the window in. Fingerprints everywhere. But we got 2 rivets so far and 2 big holes in my hand. Let's see if we can't go like 4 for 4. We like it though. I figured it'd be a lot darker. I think we both figured it would be a lot darker.
Yeah.
But it is not. Oh well. Update. We got 2 there, 1 there, and 2 there. And yes, they're all different sizes. Righty pack we got did not have any of the same sizes. But oh well. Alright. Got both of them in. Did a little bit better on the rivets this time. And also didn't put any more holes in my hand. We just used an air drill with the right size drill bit. And then drilled into that little bitty, I don't know, lip right there. We bent the lip out a little bit too, that way it was closer to the window. And then got some longer rivets. And it worked out. Shutter. We're probably going to tint the windshield and then black out these back quarter glasses, and then the back hatch will also be the same smoked. So hopefully it'll be dark in there whenever we get it all done, but right now you can still, I mean, I don't know, it's not that bad. And here we are. Alright, so today we're going to take out the old LEXAN out of the patch. Normally you drill out the little rivets and then knock them out, but since we're not going to use this LEXAN again, I think we're probably just going to grind off the tops of them and then knock them out. That way we don't have to mess with drilling every single one of them. Should be a little easier. I think the plan is after we get this one off, the other one is oversized, the new one. So after we get this one off, we'll probably lay it on the other one and then mark it off and cut it to size. But we'll see how that goes. I'm going to start knocking some of these off. We'll be back. Alright, we got that out now. We just ground the heads off of all of them. You can tell that we got into it a lot, but that's fine. So now we got to just try to knock these out without hurting this. Hopefully they come out pretty easy. We'll find out. Alright, so we're just going to outline it and then cut it. Hopefully it cuts easy. We will find out. Hopefully Cody cuts the right line, because there's 3 lines on here. Hopefully that Sharpie works.
Not looking like it.
On this, after we ground off the rivet heads, we just pulled them out with pliers. Worked out pretty easy. He cleaned it up. So now the next step would be to cut that and then drill the holes for the rivets. And then rivet it back on. We just went to the store and got some new rivets. So should be good to go. They should all match. But we'll find out how easy it is to cut here in a minute. Alright, so we cut those pieces off with a jigsaw. Set it up on some 2x4s, that way it wouldn't be cutting on the ground and all that. Doesn't look too bad. Messed up in a couple spots, but probably won't ever tell. We put the hatch on the car, and then we're fixing to peel off the protective coating on here, layer, whatever. And then we'll put it up here and get one person from each side holding it, and I'll get inside the car and drill it. We'll probably start at the very top, the center one, and then just kind of work our way out and see what happens. It fits pretty good right now. We did the original cut and then we had to do some more trimming, but it looks good, I think. What do you think?
Love it.
But here we go. And here we are. We got half of them done. We just got to do this half. We're doing like 1 by 1 kind of, that way we don't drill them all and then have them all off, because we're not that highly skilled yet. But it's looking pretty good. I had messed up the cut on the bottom and we ended up even needing to trim it, so we trimmed it to fit and I like it. We're gonna go ahead and do the rest of these though. Alright, we got it all done. Getting her cleaned up. Looks way better than the other one because it wasn't tinted at all. And I mean, it had some cool stickers on it, but you know, I liked them. But yeah, somebody tried to clean it with something or spilt something on it or whatever, and it hazed it real bad and looked like garbage. So if we're not gonna go real fast, we gotta at least look good. So that's what all this is for. Because we're probably not gonna go fast, but we're gonna try. Oh, good old handle. There's from the inside out. The sides look a little darker with the back on. We just need the windshield tinted, and then the side window's tinted. I think it'll look good. What?